Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the coilover kit for a Tesla Model Y. And this coilover kit is actually by MaXpeedingRods, so it's a pretty budget-friendly coilover kit. So let's go ahead and get this kit unboxed and take a look at what's inside. Okay, so here's everything out of the box. Now, one thing that this kit did not come with that I decided to purchase separately was a set of rear adjustable camber arms. Now, it's just because I wanted that flexibility to be able to dial in the alignment for the rear of the car. Now, this did come with the front control arms that are adjustable, so by adding the rear, just had that, again, just that more flexibility. So what we're going to do is go ahead and open up that box real quick, see what that looks like. Okay, so now that we have the rear adjustable camber arms unboxed, and this is a little bit closer look at what they look like, and it's pretty nice product here. Unfortunately, it's a little bit different color. This is more of a gray, where the rest of the kit is black. But again, this gives us more of the adjustability, especially for alignment of the rear when you drop or lower the rear of the vehicle. So as you can see here, it's a pretty complete kit, both with the assembly for the front. So we have the full assembly here for the front of the vehicle, and then the rear shocks of the vehicle along with the springs and the adjustable lower plates. The kit also comes with a set of wrenches to be able to adjust the height of the coilover kit. And then, as I mentioned before, it also comes with the sway bar links as well. Now, a couple of features just to note on this coilover kit here is that it does give you the adjustability of being able to lower your car from 1 to 3 inches. It also gives you the adjustability of 24 levels of dampening. So for example, 0 to 8 clicks, it's good for street use. 9 to 16 is recommended for mountain use. And then 17 to 24 clicks is recommended to utilize at the track. So the top mounts and the lockers are actually CNC machined aluminum, it's pretty strong and also helps save on weight. Now, where a lot of the weight is actually on the lower mounts, which is pretty heavy duty steel. And when I took this out of the box, I was pretty surprised that it was pretty heavy. But it's pretty thick material here, so it looks really good so far. Obviously, just straight out of the box. Now, the finish that you have on the material is an anodized aluminum and powder coated carbon steel. So that should help prevent some corrosion throughout the time of while you have the kit on your vehicle. Okay, so just taking a little bit closer look at the front assembly here. Here's a little dial that we were talking about earlier. that has a 24 clicks of adjustment. So that's where you would do that. Here's that top mount, the plate, and then followed by, there's a little bump stop here that you can't really see, but it's underneath the top plate. And then of course you have your coil spring, your spring washer down here, your locking ring down below that. So that's where you would adjust the height while using the spanner wrenches that are provided in the kit. And then of course your whole lower mount assembly with heavy duty steel. So this thing is actually pretty heavy, but appears to be in great quality here. Mentioned earlier about the sway bar links for the front. So that's this assembly here. So again, does nice that it comes with a kit and everything like that. So that's what you have that. And then of course, what we needed to add, or what I decided to add, was the rear adjustable camber arms. Again, you have to purchase this separately. Moving on to the rear assembly. So here we have the shock, and unlike the front where it was fully assembled, you'll have to, these come in separate little pieces. And one thing to point out on the rear shock is that you have to utilize the existing top mount of the shock that you're going to pull off the vehicle. So you're going to have to remove that and attach it to the new shock. Just like the front, you have your boot and then your adjustability locking ring down here. So the dampening adjustment for the rear shock is actually right here, whereas in the front it was located at the top. You saw the little adjustable knob for the front assembly, but for the rear it's actually right here on the side there. Now, to complete the rear assembly, of course, you have your separate coil spring and then your lower mount with the included spring washer, spring seat, and the locking ring for the adjustability of that. And again, it just simply sits like this within the vehicle. So overall, guys, I'm pretty excited about this kit. I'm really surprised on the overall quality of it. And of course, haven't installed it yet, but just holding on to it, looking at it a little bit closer, appears to be a pretty nice quality product, especially for the cost. I mean, the cost on the MaXpeedingRods website is $594 for this entire kit. Again, I did purchase the adjustable rear camber arms separately, so that was about $174. But you know, I keep reiterating it, but I just want to be able to have that full adjustment when you're getting alignment. So, but other than that, you know, really excited about getting this installed. Not installing it on this video. This was purely just an unboxing video and seeing what comes in the kit here. So the next couple of videos we'll definitely get that with this kit installed. Probably going to start with either the front or the rear, just to make sure that I have everything set up correctly. And of course, after you install the entire kit, you want to make sure everything's torqued down the spec, and then of course get a wheel alignment. So what I'll do is actually put a link down in the description below so you guys can check it out for yourself on MaXpeedingRods website. And then I do have a 10% off coupon for this kit. So for a $600 kit, base kit for a Tesla Model Y, and then actually the Model 3 is the same price too. So to get roughly $60 off and to get this kit for, what was that, $540? And then of course, if you want to get the rear adjustable camber arms, that's $174 for that set as well. So pretty inexpensive coilover kit, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly kit here. So highly recommend checking this out and then see what it's like. The assembly looks to be fairly easy. The one thing that looked the most difficult was, again, reutilizing that top hat for that rear shock, just to be able to have the right tools to be able to remove that top hat. But other than that, everything else is just pretty much unbolt and bolt the new kit right in, and then of course get your alignment at the end. So I'm excited about this. If you guys are excited, check it out on MaXpeedingRods website. Again, I'll leave a link down in the description below. Stay tuned for the installation videos of this kit. And I'm pretty excited. I think it's going to be a nice look to the Tesla. There's of course other products out there, but again, $600, can't beat it. So if you guys found this helpful, hit that like button and of course subscribe for more. All right, catch you guys in the next one. See ya.